Accepting international payment as a Nigerian freelancer is a big challenge, except if you are using a freelancing platform. If you are using a freelancing platform, then they have a system that will pay you directly to your local bank account. But if you found a client somewhere else, like maybe on Facebook, cold outreach, or anywhere else, you are going to come across this challenge all the time. Most of the payment options are not available in Nigeria. PayPal is one of the most popular payment options, and it is not available in Nigeria. You can use PayPal in Nigeria, but you can only send money with it. You cannot accept payment with a PayPal account in Nigeria. Other systems like Honeybook, FreshBook, there are a lot of options that are not available for Nigerians. And so that is why in this video I'm going to share with you the two methods that I found works perfectly in Nigeria and works in almost all the countries that your client are going to come from. Okay, the first method I accept international payment is using Payoneer. Payoneer is a free tool to use. It's very easy to create your account in Payoneer. You can just set up your account and you will have access to an account in USA, so that there are many options to accept payment. You can send your account details to your client in the USA, England, any other country, and they can pay you directly to a bank account as if they are doing a local transfer. And they can also create a Payoneer account and they can pay you from Payoneer to Payoneer account. And from your Payoneer account, you can just add your local bank account, your Nigerian bank account. You can add an account in dollar, or you can add account in Naira. If you add account in dollar, then you can just withdraw your money in dollar to your dollar bank account. But if you add a Naira bank account, you can simply convert the dollar and deposit it to your Nigerian bank account in Naira. But I do recommend you have a dollar account if you are accepting payment in dollar. So the downside of using Payoneer is, one of the major downside is, if you withdraw your money from Payoneer to your Nigerian bank account, it takes 2 days for the money to arrive in your bank account. For example, I normally withdraw money on Wednesday, and if I withdraw money on Wednesday, the money enter my account on Friday. So you see, it's 2 days. So this is one of the major downside. You cannot withdraw money and get it in your bank account instantly. And another major downside is it's a little more expensive. When you are withdrawing anything, I think from anything up to $500, you are going to pay a minimum of $10 service fee for every transaction. Even if you are withdrawing less than $100, you are going to have to pay that $10 fee. So you are going to pay a $10 fee, and the money is going to take 2 days to arrive in your bank account. And also, if you give your client your bank account details, your Payoneer bank account details, they can only make a transfer to that bank account if they have a business bank account. They cannot do a transfer from a personal bank account, but they can easily remove that barrier if they create a Payoneer account. They deposit the money in their Payoneer account and they can pay you from Payoneer account to another Payoneer account, similar to how PayPal works. Okay, the next payment method, which is my favorite one, is using a service called Skrill, skrill.com. Skrill is my favorite payment option. It's also very easy to create your account in Skrill. You can just create your account in a few minutes. When you create your account, your customers, your client can send you payment from Skrill to Skrill account as if they are using PayPal. They just need to create their Skrill account also, and from their Skrill account they can send money to your Skrill account. It's just using emails from their email to your Skrill email account, and when they send money to you, you will see the money in your Skrill account, and you can add your bank account in Skrill. You can add a dollar account or a Naira account. If you add a dollar account, you deposit some money directly to your dollar account in Nigeria. If you added a Naira bank account, then you convert the money to Naira and deposit it to your Naira bank account. But the reasons why I prefer using Skrill is, Skrill, when you withdraw money from your Skrill account to your Nigerian bank account, it arrives in less than 1 minute. It's instant. It is as if I am doing a transfer from a Nigerian bank account to another Nigerian bank account, maybe from First Bank to Zenith Bank. It arrives instantly. So this is one of the major benefits of using Skrill. You can withdraw your money instantly, and also the service fee is around $6. If you are withdrawing, I think from up to $500, the service fee is around $5, around $5 to $6. That is their service fee. So it's cheaper to use Skrill and it's faster to receive your payment. But the only thing is, Skrill doesn't have an option where you have a bank account details in the USA or England that you can share to your client. But that is really not something that I think is going to be that useful, because very few of your clients are going to have a business bank account, and so it's going to be easier, whether you are using Payoneer or Skrill, for them to create an account in Payoneer or Skrill, and they can pay you from an account to another account. So those are the two methods that I accept international payment from my client, and I use both Skrill and Payoneer to accept payment from USA, from England, from Canada, and from Philippines. So I believe in most countries that your clients are going to come from, Skrill and Payoneer are going to be accessible. If you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.